Good evening everyone, my name is Ernest Eric and I will be presenting defect analysis for subject Building Survey Practice 2 or BST255. So this is the content that I will explain in this video. Firstly is building background, second is roof, third is building fabric and component, fourth is building structure, fifth is building service, and sixth is external side, all of which will have two. Let's talk about the building background. University Technology Mara or UiTM branch Seri Iskandar is one of the main campuses in northern Malaysia that focus heavily on built environment and design related program. It offers diploma as well as degree program in architecture, interior architecture, town and regional planning, quantity surveying, building surveying, and finally art and design. In this branch of UiTM, its main faculty include Faculty of Architecture, Planning and Surveying, and Faculty of Art and Design. Among the facility that are here is Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak or PITAR, design studios, hostel for students, workshop, labs, and of course cafeteria, surau, and sport court. This campus also well connected to the town area or Bandar University, where students can find their daily necessity as well as entertainment. The weather condition at UiTM Seri Iskandar is often rain and sunny days. So this is the first roof that I will explain. Its location is College Pasir Salak. Its level is of course the roof level, component roof, the element is soffit, condition is 2, the priority is 2, matrix is 4. The defect description for this roof is the soffit has fallen, and the possible cause is water leakage from the roof may cause water to build up then cause the soffit to fall. The symptoms, which is water marking, can be seen. As you can see the hole, there are certain water marking and mold. The prognosis for this defect is more soffit will fall, and the remedial work is repair the roof leak first, then replace the soffit. The second roof defect is also located at College Pasir Salak. The level is of course roof level, the component is also roof, and the element is the same, which is soffit. The condition is 2, the priority is 2, and the matrix is 4. Defect description will be the soffit has water marking, which you can see in this picture where there are mold and water marking on the soffit. The possible cause for this defect is water leakage from roof may cause water to enter. And the symptoms will be water marking can be seen. Prognosis is the soffit will fall, and the remedial work will be repair the roof leak, then replace soffit. Let's move on to building component. The first defect can be found in Annex 3 at the ground level. The component of this defect is window and the element is casement window. The condition of this defect is given 1, priority is 1, and the matrix is of course 1. The defect description is the tinted of the window is damaged or tear, as you can see in the picture. The possible cause of this defect is excessive heat may cause the glue to lose its stickiness. The symptom is the tinted can be seen peeled. The prognosis of this defect is that people may feel uncomfortable due to heat exposure. This is because tinted work to prevent excessive heat to enter. Therefore, if the tinted is tear, it will cause people to feel uncomfortable. Finally, the remedial work. The remedial work for this defect is to open the old tint, then clean the window surface, and finally replace new tint. The second defect for building component can be found in College Pasir Salak Block Cemara B. The level is second level and the component is door. The element is flush door frame. The condition for this defect is given 1, priority 1, and matrix is 1. The defect description is the door frame has no finishing or final coating. The possible cause for this defect is poor workmanship due to rush work. The symptom is the concrete can be seen, which can cause the door to be less aesthetic. The prognosis is this decrease the aesthetic value, and the remedial work is clean the door frame then repaint it. Let's move on to building structure. This defect can be found at College Pasir Salak. The defect can be found at the ground level and the component is column. The element is reinforced concrete column. The condition is given to the priority 1 and the matrix is 2. The defect description is diagonal crack on column. Possible cause of this defect is environmental exposure caused the concrete to shrink. The symptom is visible crack can be seen or uneven surface. The prognosis is the crack size may increase over time. Water will penetrate into the column and causes delaminated. Remedial work for this defect is clean the column surface, hack along the diagonal crack, then replaster the hacked surface and primer, then repaint the column. Let's move on to the second defect of building structure. This defect can be found in Dewan Makan College Indra Sakti. The level of this defect is ground level, the component is wall. The condition of the defect is given 2, the priority 1, and the matrix is obviously 2. The defect description is rough wall surface with peeling paint. The possible cause is poor workmanship. This is because people often place large objects next to the wall. This causes the surface to become rough and the peeling of paint over time. So what is the symptoms of this defect? The symptom is visible peeling of paint and uneven surface. The prognosis of this defect is more peeling of paint may occur and wall may lose its aesthetic value. And the remedial work is scrape off all paint and smooth the wall surface with sandpaper, clean wall with damp cloth to remove dust and dirt, apply primer to seal the wall and prevent future peeling, then repaint the wall after primer completely dry. Next is building services. The first defect can be found at College Pasir Salah, Block Cemara B. It is located at the second floor and the component is a firefighting system. The condition is 1, the priority was given 2 and the matrix is also 2. Defect description is fire alarm detached and is only hanging by the wire. The possible cause for this defect is improper installation or rush work. The symptom is alarm is visibly detached from wall and is only hanging by its wire. The prognosis is alarm may fall or wire may lose its function due to supporting the weight of alarm, thus causing failure or operation during emergency. Remedial work is properly resecure the fire alarm to the wall using appropriate mounting hardware to prevent it from hanging by the wire. Then, the exposed electrical must be enclosed in protective conduit to ensure safety and maintain the system reliability. Moving on to the second defect of building services. This defect can be found in Annex 1. The level is ground level and the component is split air conditioning system. The condition of this defect is given 1, the priority 1, and the matrix is also 1. The defect description is air conditioner, water leakage. The possible cause for this defect is improper installation of clogged or dirty drain. The symptoms is visible water droplet or area near the condenser fan is wet. The prognosis is wet and moist surface on walls or floor may promote mold growth. As you can see on the wall, there is a little bit of mold started to grow. The remedial work is inspect the leaking air conditioner unit, then repair it to repair the leak for further water discharge. The drainage system should be redirected to a proper outlet. Finally, let's move on to the first external or site condition. The first defect is located at College Pasir Salah Block Cemara A. The level is ground level, the component is the pavement. Condition was given 2, the priority 1, and the matrix is also 2. The defect description is the pavement is misaligned or sunken and the gaps is filled with soil and vegetation. The possible cause for this defect is poor workmanship or Mother Nature. The symptoms is noticeable misalignment or sunken slab. Prognosis is may cause injury or condition may worsen. The remedial work for this defect is carefully remove the affected paving slabs without damaging them, and excavate and re-level the base layer, then compact the sub-base to ensure even support. Then relay the slab properly with even spacing, and fill the joint with sand or polymeric sand to lock the slab in place. Ensure water drain away from the path to avoid future settlement. The second defect of external or site condition can also be found at College Pasir Salah Block Cemara A. The level is also ground level and the component is stair landing. The condition of this defect is given 1, the priority 1, and the matrix is also 1. The defect description for this defect is a noticeable path hole in the concrete at the top of the stairs which expose soil beneath the concrete. The possible cause is poor workmanship or Mother Nature. The symptom is visible hole can be seen. The prognosis is given people may get injured and the hole may got deeper due to frequent use by students. The remedial work is remove all loose debris, dirt, broken concrete, then cut edges on the hole to form a square repair area. Apply concrete to fill the hole and level this and smoothen the surface to match surrounding area. Finally, allow proper curing time and apply prevention sealer to prevent water infiltration and future damage.